Novices and professionals in scrapbooking crafts are indeed aware that you've got to invest in the best scrapbooking pens to make your projects and artwork successful. We hate pens that smear on different surfaces, and we are annoyed when markers easily run out of ink quickly. Not to mention, we hate the mess that poor quality pens produce. It is crucial to carefully check out the types of scrapbooking pens that you purchase for these reasons. Luckily, if you need help picking the right scrapbooking pens for your art projects, this post can help you compare various options. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best scrapbooking pens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Scrapbooking Gel Art Markers Pens. Most of us certainly prefer non-toxic and acid-free pens for scrapbooking. This is because markers like this are safe to use for both adults and children. This gel pen set serves as the perfect solution if you like unique, vibrant, and bright colors in various styles. These colorful pens are highly recommended for coloring, sketching, drawing, and writing. Likewise, these gel pens are adept at creating nice solid lines without any difficulty on my part. They are so sleek to use, and there's not a day my hands felt tired while using them. Since I love various artworks, I need to buy more art supplies for my projects. Fortunately, these highlighter pens are affordable, so I don't need to significantly cut my allowance when I need to buy another set. Sure thing, I have no problems with how these pens execute their purpose. I am also fascinated by their vibrant and striking colors. On the downside, I was surprised to see that the ink ran out quite faster than I expected. Or, probably, I was just too overwhelmed that I didn't notice that I already used too much of them. Number 2. Art Journal Planner Pens. I consider these items one of the best pens for card making because that is the application I purposely use them. But they are not only valuable for that aspect. These pens are ideal for many different activities and projects of school and work. Unlike other options, I find them easy to write and ink with. What's more, these multifunctional fine liners are not prone to bleeding, and they dry quickly. Designed as water-based, acid-free, and non-toxic, these are safe art supplies to use for adult and young users. I like their slim and easy-to-control shape. They also work great on different paper types and weights. I am more impressed by their pleasant and vibrant range of colors too. Additionally, these colored felt tip pens utilize the sturdy metal-clad design to help prevent the tip from breaking or wigging. They don't quickly fade when the eraser is used over them. And the good news is that you can also consider them as very affordable premium gift sets for everyone on any occasion. On the other hand, I wish the manufacturer would consider doing some enhancements to this product's packaging. The packaging does not offer more convenience. Number 3. Soucolor Scrapbooks Gel Pens. These super value scrapbooking pens markers are comfortable for scrapbooking, doodling, drawing, sketching, art designs, and crafting. The item is even packaged with a case that is convenient to use. It is handy when you're traveling or on the go. The pens are easy to hold and allow a comfortable grip, so your hands won't get quickly tired. Furthermore, these marker pens feature 0.8mm 1mm ballpoint tips. So, this means that it'll be easier for users to ensure a sleeker and more precise color application. I find them ideal for adult coloring books too. They're not prone to smearing, skipping, and they dry faster, unlike other similar products. The minor gripe we have encountered on these gel pens is that a few of the colors appear not similar to the color that was written on the pen. It would have been better if the manufacturer improves this minor flaw, so that users can quickly get the precise color they need when working on their art projects. Number 4. Castle Art Scrapbooking Gel Pens. I highly regard these gel pens as one of the best pens for scrapbooking. This item offers a massive selection of top quality colors for you to select from. I am amazed by the special effects they emit, and I am fascinated by the glistening shaded to pick from. If you prefer metallic, pastel, swirl, glitter, and neon colors, you might want to uncover more what these unique pens can offer. Apart from this, you can get this gel pen set for the whole family if you'd like to enjoy some family art activities. They dry quickly, and the ink does not smear. Enjoy your creative artwork more without worrying about the mess. This product is not one of the most reasonably priced options on the market these days. So, if you're searching for low-cost gel pen set, this might not be ideal for your budget. Anyhow, it is still a wise investment, considering it offers a huge and high-quality color selection. Besides, this brand is a trusted one, so it's okay to spend a bit. Number 5. BOXUN Metallic Brush Marker Pens. I was planning to buy the best pens for black scrapbook paper, and a good friend recommended this brand. So, I bought the set, and luckily, these art markers work great for any art project, and execute an excellent job when working on my DE greeting cards. Since I am prone to allergies, these pens are lifesavers because they are formulated with toxic-free and water-based formulas. These art tools are highly recommended when you're working on dark color and non-transparent types of papers. The colors can stand out and look fabulous when applied. Regardless, while a very soft brush pen might not be a problem to some users, I find the soft brush pen a bit difficult to control when I'm lettering. In my opinion, this option is more practical for someone who has a better amount of control over their lettering. It would require more control and a light hand with this style of brush pen. Other than that, these art pens work outstandingly for their purpose. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.